DJ Wild Money Entertainment, and I got a box. And when I get a box, I get so happy because I get to use my knife to open up the box. So let's see what's inside. Cut like butter. Well, lucky thing I didn't go too deep with the knife because I would have cut what was inside. And this is what's inside. Don't need the box. This is a memory foam pillow. And I was asked to review this pillow and give my honest opinion about it. So, let's open it up and see how it's, don't need the bag. It's a nice size pillow. Memory foam. So this way when you press it down, it pops back up. And it is a nice size. What can I do if the pillow is too hot? They recommend that you use a cooler pillowcase or a bamboo filter pillowcase to maintain the comfortability and the temperature. What can I do if the pillow leads to neck pain? You may experience some difficulty for the first 2 weeks until you get used to the pillow. This has a 24-month warranty, and it has care tips. You do not wash the pillow core. You do not bleach it. You do not iron it. You do not dry clean it. It's hand and machine wash in cold water. You use tumble dry for low. It does have a zipper, so let's check out the zipper. It doesn't zipper to the ends because it's sealed, but this is the pillowcase cover. So let's take it out of the pillowcase cover, and it's nice and solid, and it does pop back up. Pillowcase that it comes with has mesh holes in it for it to breathe, and it's very lightweight, and you bend it for it to go in, and it just goes in easily. The zipper is a nylon zipper, so it's a smooth closure. The outer pillow mesh gave a cool feeling. This is good fit for the back, the stomach, neck. It was a great muscle relaxer. I give this a thumbs up. Great pillow. Highly recommend it. Thumbs up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button because you want to see more of me and my things and my stuff and things. If you're interested in the pillow, check out the link below.